and then
Okay,
we
okay,
discuss.
okay. The video
What is it?
has
So,
started.
Okay. The
Okay,
videos.
now we are going to talking about a random topic.
Okay.
Nothing.
Nothing is fixed.
Nothing is fixed,
Okay.
and don't feel
Don't feel shy.
don't feel shy and uneasy because
You know that.
we are the
You know
beginner
that
level
for
student of speaking. That's why we will do many mistakes. So don't be upset about this.
Do you know what is the main barrier for speaking or learning?
Main barrier.
Main barrier
First
is
of all,
afraid,
I
afraid and shyness.
I noticed that some few points.
Okay.
First of
tell
all-
me what is this?
First of all, shyness,
Okay.
eye contact,
Yeah.
most of the valuable confidence.
Confidence. Yeah.
Lot of matters included only in confidence.
Without confidence, no one can speak
No one-
fluently
because
or correctly.
few months ago I feel nervous
And shy.
and breathing my heartbeat
Heartbeat.
whenever I am going to the stage and say something.
Yeah.
Right or wrong doesn't matter.
Okay.
I am still made many mistakes, but doesn't matter. But my breathing day by day, my breathing is decreasing.
Decreasing, right.
Decreasing. There's the confidence level is growing,
Growing.
and my
Nervousness.
is decreasing.
Decreasing.
That's the
That's
main
the
point.
matter.
That's why I feel that no one can achieve speaking skill without confidence, because speaking means you say something in front of someone. When you are going to talk about anything in front of lots of audience and people, you face to someone eyes and someone face.
You have to maintain, you have to maintain confidence level, then eye contact, and also the grammatical rules.
Whenever you go into the stage and stand on the stage and look at the people, if you don't have any confidence, you cannot say anything. You
Anything,
have
right.
lots of rules, lots of English
English.
in your brain,
Vocabulary.
but you cannot able to say.
You can be speak because you can be a speaker, good speaker or fluent speaker, because confidence level. Confidence is the main thing.
Our one teacher said that if you want to say in English,
Okay.
you have to must speak from your mouth, right or wrong. And,
Yeah, it doesn't matter it right or grammatical. You can do grammatical mistake. It's not a big deal. But you have to or you must practice English in your utterance or in your mouth. But first of all, before speaking, we need the accuracy or we need the quality of listening, because of it's a language, you know that it's a way of communication. If we understand all the thing that said, we can able to speak something. But without understanding or without listening, we can't able to speak. You know that as a child,
Right.
when a newborn child is born, he learned everything by listening and shaking himself.
That's why that's the main point is whenever a child learn language Bangla
Yeah.
without grammatical rule.
Grammatical rules.
How is
Because
it
of-
possible?
It's possible because their brain is empty. It's called LAD, language acquisition device. According to behavioral theory, you know that there is a memory card or there is a functional device in a child's mind. It's called LAD, language acquisition device, and they can
So,
able to understand what is going on.
That's
And
why I wanted to say that a people want to learn, want to speak in English, he has to overcome his shyness, your lack of confidence, nervousness, because stage performance is very important in speaking level. That's why whenever you face to lots of people, you must overcome your shyness. Without shyness, no one can speak fluently in front of eight people.
most of the students, they have the common problem of shyness. They are able to speak, but they are not practicing it, thinking that what will be happen if gonna it is.
I think that in this stage, many people know about the all structure.
Okay.
All structure. They know the
Very limited structure of
They
English
know
grammar.
the about the vocabulary. They know the structure. They know the everything, but they cannot able to speak.
Speak.
How? This is the practice of English
Lacking
and
of
lacking
practice.
of confidence.
Confidence.
The two major, lacking of confidence and lacking of practice. Without practice, no one can achieve this. So I think that man should practice every day every day minimum 2 or 3 minutes in front of camera or in front of mirror. Right or wrong sentence
Doesn't
matter.
But we have to practice.
We have to practice it.
Okay. But one thing is that after completing a graduation, their graduation, a student from English department, they are not able to speak fluently. It's a
That's the
matter of great sorrow and also matter of great
Shame.
Shame.
I really
Because of-
I want to say this is a shame.
shameful.
Shameful.
Shameful because